Hi dear student, today we will discuss about motion, the first chapter of class 9. It is very important chapter. So without wasting our time, let us focus on the topic. The first topic is motion. We will learn the definition of motion and its meaning. Let us focus on definition. A body is set in motion if he change its position continuously. First mark here. A body is set in motion if he is changing its position continuously with respect to any frame of reference. Why frame of reference is important? Let us understand. Suppose a bus is moving with speed x meter per second. Two person A and second person B are sitting in the bus, and a person is outside the bus. His name is C. When bus is moving with speed x meter per second, then when C will observe A and when C will observe B, C will observe that the position of A and B is changing. It means both A and B are in motion with respect to C. But when A and B will look at each other, then the position of A is not changing with respect to B, and the position of B is not changing with respect to A. It means A and B both are in rest with respect to each other. So before defining the motion, the frame of reference is very important. In which frame you are observing? When A look according to his frame with respect to B, then B are in rest. But when C look B, then B are in motion. It means if frame of reference change, the state of body can be changed. Either he may be in rest or may be in motion. So frame of reference is very important. Let us take another example. Suppose three person P, second is Q, and third person is R. The speed of P is 5 meter per second and speed of Q is 5 meter per second and speed of R is 2 meter per second. Let us understand, when P and Q will observe each other, the position of P will not change with respect to Q because both have same speed and direction. And when Q will observe P, then position of P will not change with respect to Q. It means P and Q both are in rest with respect to each other. But when you take frame as R, then when R will look at P, the position of P will change with respect to R. So P are in motion with respect to R. When R will observe Q, the position of Q will also change with respect to R. So the Q is in motion with respect to R. It means motion is depend upon frame of reference. Okay, a body can be at rest at same time he can be at motion when you change its frame. For example, when you observe P and Q, both are in rest with respect to each other. But when you make frame as R, then both P and Q are in motion. P and Q both are in rest with respect to their own frame because their position are not changing. But when you look P and Q with respect to R, their position is changing continuously. So P and Q both are in motion with respect to R. It means a body can be at rest, same time he can be at motion with respect to another frame of reference. Now let us understand what is rest. Rest does not mean their speed is zero. rest does not means their speed is 0. It means that their speed is not changing or their position is not changing. Sorry, rest means that their position is not changing with respect to each other. Suppose that speed of A and B both are 0. So both are in rest, we call them. But if speed of A and B is 2 meter per second, still both are in rest with respect to each other, because the position of A and B are not changing with respect to each other. But when you observe C, whose speed is 0, let speed of C be 0, then B and A both will be in motion. Sorry, then B and A both will be in motion with respect to C, because their position will change with respect to C, and C will also be in motion with respect to B, because the position of C will change when you observe from frame of reference of B. It means rest is also a relative term. It depends upon frame of reference. ओके, हो गया, इस बार कोई दिक्कत नहीं हुआ है।